Hi everyone. Today Tuesday, and now we in the Clark CDC Park. One subscriber asking to take a video in bike shop. It's bike shop and cafe, and we will show to you this shop right now. Bike shop. This is bike shop. Location in CDC Park near Tom Tom's coffee shop. This is Tom Tom's. Today Tuesday. Oh, close. Share close. I don't know why close. Tuesday, Sunday from 6 to 9 p.m. Monday until 5. Now Tuesday 6 p.m. Close. Okay. Maybe next time. Okay, we will go to the CDC Park. Maybe open new restaurant in CDC Park. Shaira, let's go. Tuesday, but many people now in the park. Many people jogging today. Tuesday 6 p.m. Already prepare Christmas tree. Soon maybe they will install decoration. Oh, already have new coffee shop. It's near bike rent. And also have new restaurants. I will show to you now. We prepare, we will open soon. Cafe Lounge Andamante. Here coffee shop, restaurants also. Parking little bit only space. Before in this place 7-Eleven or mini stop, I forgot. 7-Eleven or mini stop. Shaira already tired. Hi Shaira, are you tired already?
No.
What is this? Original?
It's original.
Original? Oh, good.
Of course it's original.
Let's go. Oh, Chinese people, like Chinese. Ni hao ma. What you know in Chinese language? Few words. Very few Chinese people in Angeles right now.
Thai chef.
Before you remember, I work here and sometimes talk with Chinese here. They have a business in Clark, but now don't have already. I want to tell you a story how I arrived Philippines in Clark International Airport last Saturday, 3 days ago. It's first time immigration staff asking many people what you will do in the Philippines when you come back from the Philippines. And for a long time, in the line in front of me, one guy stand maybe 5 minutes and they asking so many questions. Immigration asking me also, but it's not long time. I just say when my flight come back to Hong Kong. Also they asking me what you will do in the Philippines. I will explain, so I will go to the Shire. And okay, he put stamp and not problem. But most of the people stand long time. It's first time I see. Usually it's not the same. Usually so faster. Rooftop. Tom's coffee shop. Inside don't have people. Very few people today. Because today Tuesday. Bike shop is closed, but bikers sit outside. I don't know, already second time I try to take video in this bike shop and coffee shop, and always closed. Oh, Korean barbecue, bulalo, Korean bulalo. I think it's bulalo, it's Filipino foods. Many people. It's new restaurant. In the parking have new electric station, charger. It's new. But don't have electric cars here. Shire already waiting me. Shire very tired. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry, I cannot show to you again bike shop. Maybe next time when we're jogging in the Clark Park, I try again show to you bike shop.